Our planet, a blue marble in the vast expanse of space. Beneath the waves lies a world unseen by many, a universe as alien and as captivating as any science fiction novel. Fish, a dazzling array of shapes and sizes, dart among coral reefs. From microscopic plankton to the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale, the ocean pulses with life. The ocean's depths remain largely unexplored. Imagine encountering creatures with bioluminescent skin, illuminating the darkness with their ethereal glow. Whales, the ocean's majestic singers, communicate across vast distances using complex vocalizations. The ocean is a symphony of sounds, each creature playing its part. The ocean is a complex and interconnected ecosystem where each organism plays a vital role. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, provide shelter and sustenance for countless marine species. The ocean's currents, driven by wind, tides, and the Earth's rotation, act as conveyor belts, transporting nutrients and oxygen throughout the planet. The ocean is the lifeblood of our planet, a vital organ that keeps our Earth healthy and vibrant. In the next 20 minutes, we will embark on an unforgettable journey into this extraordinary realm. We will encounter creatures both familiar and strange, explore the hidden wonders of coral reefs, and unravel the mysteries of the deep. Prepare to be amazed, educated, and inspired to protect this precious resource for generations to come. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the sun-dappled waters of the coral reefs. The mandarin fish, a tiny creature no bigger than your thumb, flaunts a kaleidoscope of colors that would put a rainbow to shame. Another jewel of the reef is the nudibranch, a type of sea slug that seems to have been designed by an artist with a penchant for the extraordinary. Look closely, and you might spot the elusive leafy sea dragon, a master of camouflage that resembles a piece of floating seaweed. This extraordinary creature is a testament to the power of evolution, a living example of the ocean's endless capacity for wonder. Each creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of this underwater ecosystem. As we venture further from the reef into the open ocean, we enter a world of shadows and mystery. The mimic octopus, a master of disguise, can change its shape, color, and even its texture to blend in with its surroundings. The anglerfish, with its gaping maw and bioluminescent lure, is a fearsome predator of the deep. The Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins that resemble those of the Disney elephant, is a charming cephalopod that drifts through the water like an underwater balloon. From the masters of disguise to the deep-sea predators, the open ocean is a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Our journey takes us now to the realm of giants, where we encounter creatures of immense size and power. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh over 200 tons. Despite their enormous size, blue whales feed on tiny crustaceans called krill, filtering vast quantities of water through their baleen plates to capture their prey. The whale shark, another gentle giant, is the largest fish in the ocean. Despite their intimidating size, whale sharks are harmless to humans and are often curious about divers. These magnificent creatures are a testament to the power and majesty of the natural world. As we've journeyed through the reefs, the open ocean, and encountered creatures both large and small, we've witnessed the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. Phytoplankton, microscopic plants that drift in the sunlit waters near the surface, form the base of the marine food web. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, provide shelter and sustenance for countless marine species. The ocean's currents act as conveyor belts, transporting nutrients and oxygen throughout the planet. The ocean, in essence, is the lifeblood of our planet, a vital organ that keeps our Earth healthy and vibrant. Imagine a city beneath the waves, a bustling metropolis teeming with life in a kaleidoscope of colors. Coral reefs, though they may appear to be rocky landscapes, are actually living organisms, colonies of tiny animals called polyps. Coral reefs are found in clear, shallow waters of tropical and subtropical oceans around the world. While coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support an estimated 25% of all marine life. The architecture of the reef itself is as diverse as the life it harbors. Branching corals resemble underwater trees, providing refuge for fish seeking protection from predators. The coral reef is a sensory feast for the eyes, a world painted in a million shades of the rainbow. Fish, adorned in dazzling colors and patterns, dart in and out of coral branches. Look closely and you'll spot the more elusive inhabitants of the reef. The reef comes alive at night, as nocturnal creatures emerge from their daytime hiding places. The coral reef is a constant reminder of the boundless creativity of nature, a testament to the beauty and diversity that can arise when life is given the opportunity to flourish. While the coral reef may appear to be a peaceful paradise, it is a world of constant competition and predation. Herbivores, such as parrotfish and surgeonfish, graze on algae, preventing it from overgrowing and smothering the coral. Sharks, the apex predators of the reef, play a vital role in maintaining the health of this ecosystem. Cleaner fish, such as wrasses and gobies, set up cleaning stations where larger fish come to have parasites and dead skin removed. The coral reef is a delicate balance, a complex web of interactions where each species plays a vital role. The coral reef, though teeming with life, is a fragile ecosystem facing increasing threats from human activities and climate change. Pollution from coastal development, agricultural runoff and plastics can smother corals, block sunlight, and introduce harmful chemicals into the water. Overfishing can disrupt the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem, removing key predators and herbivores that keep the reef healthy. Climate change poses perhaps the greatest threat to coral reefs. By reducing our impact on the ocean, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and addressing climate change, we can help protect these vital ecosystems for generations to come. Our journey now takes us beyond the bustling cities of the reefs, beyond the encounters with giants and masters of disguise, to the very heart of the ocean's interconnectedness. We dive into a world of invisible highways, a network of currents that act as the ocean's lifeline. These currents, driven by wind, tides, and the Earth's rotation, are much more than just moving water. They are the veins and arteries of our planet, carrying life-sustaining nutrients and oxygen to even the most remote corners of the sea. Imagine these currents as a global conveyor belt, a system of interconnected pathways that wrap around the globe. Warm surface currents like the Gulf Stream carry heat from the tropics towards the poles, influencing weather patterns and moderating climates. As these currents cool and become denser, they sink, carrying oxygen-rich water down to the depths. In the depths where sunlight can no longer penetrate, these currents provide a lifeline to the creatures that call the abyss home. these cold, nutrient-rich waters well up in certain areas, bringing nourishment to the surface and fueling the growth of phytoplankton, the base of the ocean's food web. This intricate dance of currents, this constant circulation of water, connects the surface of the ocean to its depths, creating a delicate balance that sustains life on a global scale. The ocean's interconnectedness goes far beyond the physical realm of currents and nutrients. It's a complex web of relationships, a delicate dance of life where every organism, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale, plays a crucial role. Imagine a school of tiny fish shimmering like silver in the sunlight. They dart and weave, a synchronized ballet of movement as they graze on plankton. These fish, in turn, become food for larger predators, like tuna and sharks, their lives intertwined in a delicate balance of predator and prey. Even the ocean floor, seemingly barren and lifeless, teems with activity. Crabs and lobsters scuttle across the sand, scavenging for food, while worms and sea cucumbers burrow through the sediment, recycling nutrients and oxygenating the seabed. Look closer, and you'll find a microscopic world teeming with life. Bacteria, invisible to the naked eye, play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the water column and fueling the growth of phytoplankton. Even viruses, often thought of as agents of disease, play a vital role in regulating populations and maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Every breath we take, every drop of water we drink, is connected to this intricate web of life in the ocean. The health of our planet and our own survival depends on the delicate balance of this interconnected system. Our journey takes us now from the sunlit surface waters to the depths of the abyss, a realm of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and extreme cold. Here, in this alien world, life takes on strange and wonderful forms. Imagine creatures with bioluminescent bodies, illuminating the darkness with their own light, like living constellations. Giant squid with eyes the size of dinner plates lurk in the shadows, their tentacles reaching out to grasp unsuspecting prey. Tube worms, clustered around hydrothermal vents, thrive on the energy released from the Earth's core, their bodies adapted to withstand extreme temperatures and toxic chemicals. Even in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life finds a way. The deep ocean, once thought to be a barren wasteland, is now recognized as one of the most biodiverse habitats on Earth, a treasure trove of unique and fascinating life forms. The creatures of the abyss may seem a world away from our own, but they are connected to us in countless ways. They play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate, cycling nutrients, and providing a source of food for other marine animals. Our exploration of the ocean's interconnectedness has shown us that every action, no matter how small, can have a ripple effect throughout this vast and complex ecosystem. When we pollute our rivers and streams, those pollutants eventually make their way to the ocean, harming marine life and disrupting delicate ecosystems. When we overfish our oceans, we not only deplete fish populations, but also disrupt the balance of the entire food web, with cascading effects on other species, including those we rely on for food. And when we change the Earth's climate through our actions, we alter the very chemistry of the ocean, threatening the survival of countless marine species, from microscopic plankton to the largest whales. The ocean is not a limitless resource separate from our own lives. It is an integral part of our planet, intricately connected to our own well-being. What we do to the ocean, we ultimately do to ourselves. In the next act, we will explore the importance of marine conservation and the actions we can take to protect this precious resource for generations to come. Join us as we discover how we can all become stewards of the sea, ensuring that the ocean's wonders continue to inspire and sustain us for generations to come. Our journey through the ocean's wonders reveals breathtaking beauty and intricate connections that sustain life on Earth. Yet this vibrant tapestry of life is under threat from human activities. Imagine a once pristine coral reef, now bleached and lifeless. The waters that cradle marine life are increasingly polluted. Plastics and industrial waste choke our oceans, transforming habitats into underwater landfills. Imagine a sea turtle mistaking a plastic bag for a jellyfish. Overfishing is decimating fish populations. Industrial fishing fleets strip the ocean bare, disrupting ecosystems. The consequences of our actions are already being felt. Fish stocks are collapsing, coral reefs are dying, and marine animals are struggling. The ocean is sending us a clear message. Our actions have consequences, and the time to act is now. The damage inflicted on our oceans often occurs beneath the surface, hidden from our view. The consequences are far-reaching, impacting marine life and our well-being. Coral reefs provide critical coastal protection, acting as natural barriers. Their destruction leaves coastal communities vulnerable to climate change. The ocean regulates Earth's climate, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. However, this leads to ocean acidification, threatening marine life. Increased acidity makes it difficult for marine organisms to survive. Millions depend on healthy oceans for their livelihoods. Fishing, tourism, and other industries rely on marine life. Degradation threatens these industries and food security. The ocean's health is linked to our own. By protecting the ocean, we safeguard our future. Despite the challenges facing our oceans, there is hope. Around the world, individuals, communities, and organizations are working tirelessly to protect marine life and restore the health of our oceans. Scientists are conducting vital research to understand the complex threats facing marine ecosystems and develop solutions to mitigate these threats. Conservationists are working to establish marine protected areas, safe havens where marine life can thrive free from destructive fishing practices and other human activities. These protected areas not only safeguard biodiversity but also provide opportunities for sustainable tourism and fisheries management. Governments are implementing policies to reduce pollution, combat overfishing, and address climate change. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement on Climate Change and the Sustainable Development Goals, provide a framework for global cooperation in protecting our oceans. But protecting our oceans is not just the responsibility of scientists, conservationists, and governments. Each and every one of us has a role to play in becoming guardians of the deep. The fate of our oceans lies in our hands. Reduce single-use plastics, carry reusable bottles, and say no to plastic straws. Choose sustainable seafood and support marine conservation. Every action, no matter how small, can have a positive impact. Together, we can protect our oceans for generations to come. As we resurface from our exploration of the ocean depths, we carry with us a profound sense of awe and a renewed understanding of our connection to this incredible ecosystem. The ocean, a realm of breathtaking beauty and biodiversity, is integral to our survival and well-being. The health of our oceans is a shared responsibility that rests upon every individual on Earth. The challenges are significant, but not insurmountable. We have witnessed the devastating impacts of pollution, overfishing, and climate change, but also the remarkable resilience of marine life and inspiring efforts to protect our oceans. From reducing plastic consumption to addressing climate change, We all have a role in shaping a healthier future for our oceans. The ocean is a precious gift that requires our care and stewardship. By embracing sustainable practices and supporting responsible policies, we can create a future where both humanity and the ocean thrive. Our 20-minute journey into the ocean's depths has only scratched the surface of this vast and mysterious realm. There are countless wonders yet to be discovered, species yet to be identified, and ecosystems yet to be fully understood. The ocean is a living laboratory, a constant source of fascination and inspiration, urging us to delve deeper, learn more, and expand our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. The story of our oceans is still being written, and we are all characters in this unfolding narrative. The choices we make today will determine the course of this story for generations to come. Will we continue down a path of exploitation and destruction, or will we choose a different course, one marked by conservation, sustainability, and a deep respect for the interconnectedness of all life on Earth? The power to shape this narrative lies within each of us. By embracing curiosity, seeking knowledge, and sharing our passion for the ocean with others, we can inspire a new generation of ocean stewards, individuals who understand the profound importance of protecting this incredible ecosystem for the well-being of all life on Earth. The ocean, a source of life and wonder, is our planet's most precious inheritance. It connects us to the origins of life on Earth. Imagine a world where future generations experience the same awe and wonder. A world where coral reefs teem with life, where whales sing their haunting songs, and the ocean provides sustenance and inspiration. Creating this future requires action and shared responsibility. Let us protect and preserve this incredible gift. Our blue legacy depends on it.